Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to me again. And here it goes, 2024, new project, of course, new things to present. It's first project is called portfolio. So what do we have here? So I will present to you guys about my portfolio. Yeah, still network engineering portfolio, and that still relate to networking, of course, because I'm majoring in networking, so it's not too far away from network, of course. So let's get started. Oh yeah, disclaimer. I made this portfolio a year ago, so I know this will go to happen. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing I want to say hello to you guys who don't know me. Okay, hello, I'm Muhammad Ilham Haris. My friend usually call me Haris, and I'm from Indonesia. But specifically, I'm from Batam. Yeah, Batam is an island, is very near to Singapore. So we say free trade zone area between Malaysia, Singapore, and Indonesia. Yeah, cool. And then I'm a network engineer, and I'm studying in IDM Boarding School Solo. And why I join network engineering and why I choose IDM Boarding School Solo? Okay, one reason I really like to configure and learning about the internet, such as how it works and how to troubleshoot and its application. Yeah, and that's very fun. And the second reason why I choose it in solo, because it's accident. But after 2 years I study in IDM version solo, it's very fun because it's very good friend here, and then I very like the teacher, and then the environment is very natural, so as you can see here. And we got a new building. Yay, let's go. And then I will talk about the education. Before I studying at SMK IDN Modern School Solo, that is 2022 to this year. Before that, I study at SMP Al-Kafi Islamic School. That is, of course, in Batam. And nothing special in there. Yeah, but still, I can learn English from my junior high school because my friend, most of them are international. So, like or not, I have to study English so I can communicate with them. Yeah, very cool. But sometimes they are like to study bahasa to me or from the another friend that from Indonesia too. So so many of them like not from Batam too, from Jawa, from Sumatera, from Borneo, from Sulawesi. And then my friend is from Papua, but he is not like a Papua. Wow, he is a white. Cool. Yeah, honestly. And then my skills that I got from studying in IDN, that's very many. Uh, First thing is I will talk about Microtik. And Microtik, my level is intermediate, so not beginner, not expert, so intermediate. Yeah, so you don't have to call me a noob or maybe a pro, just basic. Don't know. Just what like you say. And then there's so many things that I learned, such as basic command and map configuration, firewall, and then key, OSPF. Yeah, OSPF is similar to dynamic routing protocols, and and then mesh made easy, routing policy, and then Ethernet. Of course, we learn about Ethernet, and if you know IP, there are so many things like IP binding, then DHCP, how to get automatic IP from the server or maybe the router, and then how to speed, your internet limit, or about the downlink and uplink rule, so many MAC address. So I learned so many things in MikroTik. But I hope this MikroTik skill I can still can configure lancar, speedy in workplace in the future. I hope. And then yeah, there's so many things that I learned from MikroTik in this school. And then of course we learn anything that is Cisco, CCNA and CCNP for the material that we learn in IDM Bonisul Solo. That's it. In this course we learn about basic command and how to make VLAN, trunking in a network device, and then inter-VLAN, how does the VLAN can communicate each other, SBI switch. Wait, I forgot about SBI. I think we will discuss it later. Yeah. VTP is like DHCP, but VTP is only for VLAN. So there is a main switch that is we call server, and then another switch that we call client. And then we have port security, that's how to secure your port switch, and then SCP root bridge and port pass that is similar to a port of switch, and both of them is very useful in workplace. And then we about Ether channel 2, SSH, and Telnet, about remote client, remote login, I mean. And then static routing and dynamic routing such as SPF, AGRP, RIP2, and of course ACL, standard, remote, and extended. DHCP in Cisco, we learn about three things: DHCP relay, DHCP snooping, DHCP server. DHCP relay, DHCP VLAN, and DHCP snooping. Okay, and then we learn about GRN Tunnel 2, HSRP, DRRP, DLGP, and the last is VoIP. In CCNP, we learn about the more deep about SPF and AGRP, how to use both of them in a correct way. And of course, we learn about BGP multi-home, and then BGP IP, so many of them. But I think I will repeat again to learning about BGP, because when you start to go to internship, BGP is very important to you. Even you are a junior network engineer, they will ask BGP material to you. And then we have Juniper, and Juniper I'm still learning about Juniper. That's why Juniper is beginner, because Juniper ini is very flexible, but it's very hard because the config is very the config is too many that I cannot remember. If I want to config from Juniper router, I have to search in Google, or maybe see on people module, or see on people comment how to solve. And in Juniper, I only learn basic of JunOS. JunOS is similar to Cisco or MikroTik, like configure terminal, CLI, that, but they are called JunOS. And then I learned dynamic routing such as SPF and RIP. We don't learn in Juniper AEGRP because AEGRP is Cisco property. And then we learn firewall, SSH, the distribute SPF, RIP, routing policy. And then the last is design. In the end, you will meet that project is make a poster, or maybe make a slide presentation, and we have a weapon to solve or to facing the project. That is, we have here Figma, Canva. But sometimes I like to learn about Roblox Studio because Roblox you can if you're using 3 of these tool, you can make money from it. Yeah. My deadly weapon for EDN project is Figma, of course. But if sometime if I lazy, very lazy enough to do some project, I will use Canva. But when I see the people that very expert in Canva, when I saw them, they are making design about poster with Canva. It's like they are make a poster with Photoshop. Wow, very cool. I think I will go deeper with Canva for some reason. Just kidding. I will go on Figma. Figma always. And then here I have certification that I got when I'm studying in IDM or school Solo, especially networking. First is Microtech. Microtech I got MTSNA and MTSRA. Okay, here we go. MTSNA, MTSRA. This is the lowest level of the Microtech certification, and then we have the another level of the Microtech certification, and the MTSRA is especially for the routing. And then for the certification Fortinet, we got NSA certification. I just only got NSA 1. I want to get NSA 2, but I don't have much time for it. And then we got Egypt from Oxford Academy, that is about introduction to critical infrastructure protection. Yeah, this is only for introduction certification. And then we have Cybrary. Cybrary is similar to Aguna course certification, but this is from not from Indonesia, from another country. So it's called Elite, more elite. And then we got Aguna course about Linux fundamental and network fundamental. It's very cool because when and where we can get a free certificate. And then of course I got Cisco badge about CCNA, enterprise networking security and automation, and then introduction to networks. And this is my project about in my when I'm trying 10th grade, I make a MTSNA book and then MTSRA book. And then when I'm semester 2, I make about CCNA book. It is cover, and if you want to check on the book, I already give you the QR code here, so you can check it. And then this is the CCNP book, my newest book that I have made. And this is my experience about I am following the IDN Mengajar and then school activity. So this is my first experience joining IDN Mengajar program. I am sharing my knowledge with my team, of course, about Figma, prototypes, tools, and how to make a poster, so many. And in SIT Patona Palembang. And then the second experience I'm teaching SMKM 8 Semarang. At SMK 8 Semarang, I become a trainer from SMK IDN Boarding School by teaching material about Cisco, CCNA, basic of Cisco, switching and routing. And then in Magetan, I do the same things, that is basic of Cisco, switching and routing. Of course with my team, I cannot do with myself. And in Sragen, same material too, about CCNA, switching and routing for 1 week. When I'm teaching Magetan, Semarang, and Sragen, I'm teaching for 1 week. And Palembang too, same 1 week. And here we have Indonesia Linux Conference in first semester in 10th grade. Entire TKT class we go to Surabaya, and we organized by the Linux community to listening and sharing listening to what they are sharing from the Linux professional. And then we go to Telkomsel Bogor visitation in the third semester ya. Entire TKJ class go to Jakarta, especially in PT Telkomsel Bogor ya, Bogor. And here we see so many satellite and antenna, data center, and IOC, that is network operation center. And here, still in Jakarta, and still in the TKJ goes to Jakarta, we go to CCID FTUI. So after we visit PT Telkomsel Bogor, we go to some tour to the campus, that is they are presented some materials about the campus. So very cool. And then thank you. I think that's all that I can share to you guys about my portfolio. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.